Hey, how's it going, everyone? Long time no see. I hope everyone had a great holiday. I'm going to go over the daily plan as well as we'll take a look at some of the intraday order flow throughout the day. So what we're looking at here, of course, is the my footprint chart. If you're unfamiliar to these, pinned to the home of the YouTube page here, I have a quick video on how uh, these are configured and how to read them. So as I post every day on YouTube and StockTwits, I post the daily plan. We'll go over it here on StockTwits. It's a bit easier. All right, so creating daily plan. Step one, checking out the overnight TPO or time price opportunity chart. To those who are unfamiliar with these, I understand they could look all confusing with all these letters. Each of these are called a market profile, and what we use these for is to gauge market sentiment and the market auction. You know, are we in balance with trading in balance, trading out of balance, building balance? We look at structure above, below us. We look at the shapes of each of these market profiles, the tops of them, the bottoms of them, all to gauge what we spoke about. So, as I said, I always start here, and although these may look intimidating, as soon as you look at it, when you do learn how to read them, which does not take long, it's very quick. You know, take a look and you see exactly what you need to see. From there, I go to what we're looking at over here, the 4-hour footprint. So what we're looking at, of course, is transacted volume, and in the room on the Discord server, I'll send annotated pictures of not only the TPO, but 4-hour footprint, daily footprint every day, right? That's how I create my daily plans. I want to see where transacted volume is, where market participants are lying. Do we have an aggressive bid, aggressive offer? Do we have trapped participants? Do we have areas such as when we opened on Monday, we left the gap, everything like that. So again, from there, I go to the daily chart and do the exact same thing. I send it out, and we get our daily plan. So pretty simple daily plan. Only 2 zones with saying that we could also look at this gap to see if a bid would come. But where it was in the auction, I wasn't crazy about it. So of course, right now it is 12:21 market time. We did not interact with either of these zones, but that's not to say that we cannot take trades, right? This is where I really like to size in and really make the chunk of my money is trading these key inflection points on the daily. But again, it's not every day where we get those opportunities. So what I like to do is go in smaller time frame order flow on the days that we aren't trading around these levels, and play for tighter targets and whatnot. You know, just size down. Personally, I size down, play for tighter targets, and just save my bullets for the better risk reward areas. I believe that is all, and just posted a picture of my risk manager. All right, so today's intraday order flow, as we can see, we opened, well, this is 4-hour candle, so we opened somewhere in here, came down, had a little bit of a bid. We had exhaustion at the lows, as we could see. Why do we know this is exhaustion? 188 contracts, 95 contracts compared to 15,000, 17,000, 11 and a half, almost 10,000 over here. Little transaction being done down here, but we're closing within this high volume area. Next candle opens, sweeps the lows, and then we get a rip up to where these trap participants are, who are providing the ceiling as of right now. So let's take a quick look at the 30-minute, right? Yeah, before wrapping this up. A little bit cleaner too, right? So, as we said, open pretty much one way, auction down at the cash sessions open, excuse me. And right, this closed, so that 4-hour candle closes. One more sweep down, run everyone out who's been buying in this high volume area, push up, trap participants to the left, as of right now, providing a floor. And as you can see, we're trending down. I don't trade off moving averages, but I do use them to gauge trend. And we have sellers active as of right now into the trend. Now, if you're interested in how I trade, this is a very simple, like oversimplified approach, right? I go down to smaller time frames, even a 1 minute. I use the TPO, and how I share in the room of everything that I dissect from the order flow. We also have videos. I have a whole introductory course going over each of the tools and how I use them day in, day out, and then webinars on things such as trading psychology, managing our risk exposure in the markets, different ways we could do that, a whole bunch of different things, right? Trading isn't just reading price action, reading order flow. There's more to it. So I'll leave a link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next YouTube recap.